Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to split the values of an array to two groups based on a filter. This approach can be useful for when organizing data into categories. We'll use Array.prototype.reduce to accomplish this task efficiently. Let's dive into the details and see how it's done. The task here is straightforward. We need to split an array into two groups based on the corresponding values in a filter array. The filter determines where each element goes, true for the first group and false for the second. For instance, in the first example, the filter true, true, false, true places 1, 2 and 4 in the first group and 3 in the second. Let's see how to implement this. Here's the implementation of our solution. The bifurcate function takes two inputs, an array and a filter array. We initialize two empty arrays within the accumulator to store the groups. Using the reduce method, we iterate through the array. For each element, we check the corresponding filter value. If true, the element goes into the first group, index 0. If false, it goes into the second group, index 1. Finally, the function returns two groups as a 2D array. Let's break this process down into steps. First, we initialize two empty arrays to hold the groups. Then, using the reduce method, we iterate through the array. For each element, we evaluate its corresponding filter value. Depending on the results, we push the element into either the first or second group. Finally, the function returns two groups as a 2D array. This method ensures an efficient and organized split between on the filter. Here are some example outputs. For the first example, with the filter of true, true, false, true, the output is 1, 2, 4 for the first group and 3 for the second group. For the second example, with the filter of all true, all elements go to the first group, resulting in 1, 2, 3, 4, and nothing for the second group. For the third example, with the filter of all false, all elements go to the second group, resulting in none for the first group and everything going into the second. These examples demonstrate how the filter controls the grouping process. This method can be applied in various real-world scenarios. Data categorization, where we group data into categories based on specific conditions, such as dividing users into active and inactive groups. Form processing, to separate valid form inputs from invalid ones for further processing. Filtering data, dynamically group items in a dataset based on a user's preference or filters. It is a powerful way to organize and manage data efficiently. In conclusion, we've learned how to split arrays into two groups based on a filter using the reduce method. This method is highly efficient and offers flexibility for the dynamic data organization. It is a simple yet powerful approach that can be applied in a wide range of scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.